Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven. Welcome to Ziya's third birthday special vlog. It is the day of the party. Party starts in 1 hour. I am here at the venue. I'm by myself in my car. Daisha took her car separately. She's been here helping me set up the party since 2 days ago. She took her car separately, got lost, so she's running a little bit late coming to the venue to help set up. My mom is heading over here to help set up as well. We're in shambles right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It is raining, which the party is indoors, so it's not gonna ruin the party, but it's kind of making the setup and the transportation process a little bit more difficult, and I'm getting wet and whatever, so the rain is not helping. I also hope that the rain doesn't make people feel like they don't want to come. I hope they realize that it's an indoor party. Maybe I should send out a text. I don't know. We're in shambles. We only have 1 hour to set up this whole party, and we've got food and stuff to set up. I'm checking to see if my mom or Daisha are pulling up yet. My mom has the key to the venue, so I can't even go in there and start setting up yet. I don't even have my shirt on all the way. You can see I'm getting wet from the rain. Whew. Stress. It's stress doing a birthday party all by yourself with no party plan or anything. Okay, my mom just pulled up. All right, so now we can go in and set up the party. It's been a hectic morning, but the party has started. You look so pretty, Ziya. Give me a spin. Let me see your outfit. There you go. Ooh, don't pull it. Don't pull it. It's gonna come out. Okay, give me a ballerina spin. Pretty. What's up, Raven? I'm sweating. We're all sweating. Chef Tony. You can take it. Take the whole thing. And just bite it. It's kind of sticky. There you go. Good job. Woo! Good job, guys. Say thank you. I like your little shoes. Let me see your butterflies. Oh my goodness. I'm the party coordinator. The MC. We're gonna see the animals.
I'm gonna have you model some animals for us, okay?
Look at the bunny.
So you see how she's kind of sitting with the animal. Her knees are together, which is perfect. We want to keep our knees together. We're gonna leave the animals on our laps and touch their backs and their sides. We're not gonna touch their face. So this is the bunny. You wanna touch it?
Okay.
This is Forrest. He's about 8 years old. That's Forrest. Real turtle. Feels like rice. You wanna touch it? What's that gonna be?
You want to tell her what it's gonna be? It's a soccer ball with flames.
Oh wow, it's gonna match your shirt?
Yeah.
That's cool. Are you gonna get a butterfly on your face? Yeah.
Do they fly? Hey. Yay. Wow, wow. Butterflies hop on one leg.
Say it again, Ziya. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ziya. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Good job.
Oh, you are such a sweet girl. No wonder you're Ziya's best friend.
Are you ready to cut the cake now?
I think.
You want a cake, right? Are you in? Let's take a bite. Is it good? Let's see.
This morning, looking in the mirror, drop of rum on my tongue, with a warning to help me see myself clear.
Did you have a good birthday?
Never meant to
Goodbye.
start a fire, and never meant to make you bleed.
What kind of animal did you pet today?
Look at me.
Turtle and hedgehog and bunny.
Bunnies? Was it soft? And did you touch the turtle?
The turtles are very soft.
He's not very soft.
No.
No. Did you like the lollipops?
Wait, how old are you again?
Four.
You're not 4. 3, right? You 3?
This is free.
Mm-hmm.
Did you touch the soft bunny? Yeah, and it was very soft. What about the chick? Did the chick go cheep, cheep, cheep? Cheep, cheep, cheep. Here's your birthday card. What does it say? It says, life without you would be like birthday without cake. And then you open it up. Ziya, you're 3. And that.
Let me see it. What does it say on the inside?
You have to read the card.
Ziya, you're 3. So sweet, so pretty, and so smart. Not nearly sweet enough. Have a great day with frosting on top, and we love you so much from Grammy and Pawpaw. I think Pawpaw got something else for you.
Here. Come here.
Is it? Oh, what am I having? Oh God!
Look at that.
Wow! What is that?
You got your own ride, girl.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow! Grammy and Pawpaw got you a trike,
Had to sit on there to pop out.
a pink radio flyer. Can you sit on it? Let's see.
You sit on there for Papa?
Let me see how you ride it. Can mommy do it?
Mama's gonna do it.
Is this how you do it? I used to have this at my granny's house. You do it, I'll push you. I'll help you, I'll hold you.
Well, you can ride it some other day at Grammy's house, okay? That's all right. You don't have to ride it now. You can ride it.
Overwhelming day with
I know, too much stuff. Grammy just wanted you to have it before we left.
Is it nice? You like it?
Okay, well, you can go home and open the rest of your presents, okay? And then take a nap.
The presents are in Grammy's car.
They're in your mama's car. Now I know you're ready to get home and open them, okay?
Let's go home and open presents at Mommy's house.
And you can tell Papa what
Okay.
you got. Okay?
Let's see what else she got. We're gonna leave that there so you can play with it here.
That's gonna be your car for here. So
Okay.
We'll go outside when it's nice and ride it, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, what'd you get? What's the first one?
Baby, a live party.
Wow. Okay, we're gonna open it in just a second. Let's see what else is in the rest of the bags. So this is from Daisha. Yeah, Daisha got you the Baby Alive potty dance, baby. And this is from Mommy. So I know you don't need any more toys. I'm gonna just not get you anything. So I got you an outfit for your doll and hairstyling chair. Look, it has a blow dryer and brush.
She was like, forget that.
What else? On to the next. Okay. Look, what is that?
Peppa Pig.
A Peppa Pig dress and
Peppa Pig.
a Peppa Pig shirt and look, this is a really cute tutu to go with the shirt. You have a lot of tutus now.
It's Play-Doh.
It's Play-Doh.
Ooh, a big Play-Doh set. So you got Play-Doh. What is that? Oh my goodness. That is so cool, Ziya. You gotta get all the paper off. Did you see what it was? You got 4 pairs of princess high heels and some pretty princess jewelry to go with it. Oh my gosh, a Peppa Pig.
Oh, performing arts center.
Wow, that's fancy.
Can you open it?
We're gonna open it just a minute. Can I see it? What's in there? Who is in there? Who is that?
Peppa and Posy Peppa. It looks like Peppa Pony.
Pedro Pony? Okay. You don't have this Peppa Pig play set. You can add that to your Peppa Pig town that you're building.
Big collection.
Can I open it?
Yes, I'll open it. How about you open whatever's in those bags over there? Let's see what's in those bags.
Another Peppa Pig.
Another Peppa Pig.
Wow.
Dino Park. It's Peppa and George at the Dino Park.
So cute.
What else is in there?
She said he's so cute, see? Oh goodness, Ziya. Wait, I need the card. You're moving too fast. Is it a Moana doll?
Open it, please.
Yes, I'm gonna. Oh, that's a cute Moana doll with her pig. Oh, Ziya, look at all this stuff you got. You got so many presents for your 3rd birthday.
Can you open the Peppa Pig?
Now you want to actually open every single thing. Okay, let's pick one toy to open right now. Which one do you want to open?
That one.
Okay, the biggest one. The Peppa Pig Art Palace. Okay. Did you have a good birthday? Did you have fun? And you got some good presents? And now, how old are you? How old? 3.
And open the Peppa Pig box.
Okay, we'll open it.
Sends me shivers. A baby is born, crying out for attention. The memories fade like looking through a fogged mirror. Decisions are made and I thought this wouldn't hurt a lot, I guess not. Control yourself, take only what you need.